Hello and welcome to the WeXtree Online Academy. My name is Chris and I'll be your tutor for today. In our previous video we looked at question 3, however today we'll look at question 4 on the IGCSE Biology paper 4.1, Winter 2019. Question 4a, the body has defense mechanisms to protect it from infection. Outline the body's defense mechanisms. So we have a variety of ones here because it says outline and it's not being specific to anything particularly. You have quite a broad answer choice here. Now, but the most marks come from listing all of them and being able to make them in the correct context. So let's start with the first one, the outside of the body. So we have what's called mechanical barriers, okay, e.g. the skin, okay, that stops stuff, pathogens from getting into the body. Now, it doesn't ask you to explain like what it does, it just asks you to outline the body's. So effectively you can just create a list of defenses here. We also have chemical barriers. Okay, let's say you've eaten something that contains some bacteria on it. You have stomach acid, the hydrochloric acid there. Now that would probably destroy most things. Now let's say hypothetically a pathogen has successfully made it past those defenses and entered the bloodstream. Here you have the white blood cells. Okay, now here you can list each blood cell and its main function. Okay, so first you could mention about your phagocytes. Okay, and your phagocytes, their main function is ingest and digest pathogens. Okay, so you must state this both ingest and digest. Some people make the mistake of just saying ingest and they wouldn't get the mark for it. This process is called phagocytosis. So if you mention phagocytosis, that is fine as well. You've also then got your lymphocytes. Okay, and the lymphocytes have two main functions. Okay, they can produce the antibodies. Okay, they produce antibodies and antitoxins. Okay, so these antitoxins neutralize any nasty substances secreted by the pathogens. All right, you've also got the fact that they would also produce memory cells. Okay, the memory cells would also then they can also produce antibodies. Okay, and they also are part of the body's secondary immune response. So after a pathogen has entered the body for the second time, the memory cells would detect and recognize that based on the antigens of the pathogen and lead to mass production of these antibodies specifically for the antigens of that pathogen. Okay, now that is enough to give you your full 5 marks. Okay, you could give other varieties of examples and explain it if you really wanted to, but it's not necessary. It just says outline, and outline requires just a brief answer of listing the body's defense mechanisms. Okay. Question B, state the name of the type of drug that is used to treat bacterial infections. Well, there's only one drug that's ever used to treat bacterial infections, and the collective name for this particular type of medicine is called an antibiotic. Okay. Now, if we remember, the antibiotic works by inhibiting cell wall formation, and therefore the bacteria will die during cell division when it carries out binary fission. Okay, so antibiotics is the collective name for this type of medicine. However, if you did mention the name penicillin or a variant, you may be given a mark. It's not on the mark scheme, but an examiner might give you benefit of the doubt for this. But the clear answer here is antibiotic. This will be the most selected answer by students. Okay. Thank you for watching our video today. Register for a free demo on our website, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.